Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we are going to be breaking down pretty much like live trading with this trade that we took over here. We executed over here and we ended up down here. Just make sure to click the like button, subscribe guys. We also have a promo for the VIP program, $2.99, and you guys will get my course included with the lifetime purchase. Remember, it's a one-time payment. You have my signals for life, you have my breakdowns for life, you have my live zooms for life. I'm extremely affordable, bro, and it can literally take you to your freaking peak of trading. So make sure you guys do that. I love you guys. Thank you guys all for the support. If you guys like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, do all that stuff. See you guys in the live trading breakdown video. Peace. We are in another risky market open trade here. This time it's on NAS100. I am currently in drawdown, I'm being completely honest with you guys, but at the end of the day guys, all you guys have to see is, you know, price come up here. Hopefully this is a gambler candle here for the melt. You know, this 30-minute did close extremely bearish over here, breaking all lows, which is why I executed my position. But other than that, it's not looking too good. Hourly candle is still active though. We did break the highs and we're still respecting the lows. Stop loss is a little bit too tight on this position as well, but I do like this trade, and the reason for that is because we have a 764 rejection. We have a 382 rejection right over here that we just created, but a 764 rejection from here to here, right? So that's like the most discounted price if you want to start catching like the counter trend. But I need a weaker close rather than this. Alright guys, we are finally freaking moving here on NAS. I'm hoping that we come down to break this low here, and then continue driving to the downside, because if you guys notice, we created a, let's say, our high or lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. If we create a lower low over here, this will be our lower high to then possibly come down just to my stops to break even point. Guys, once it gets to my stops to break even point, I call this trade a win. Why? Because now my full risk is off the table, and now I could just see if it comes down to my whole overall take profit, which is somewhere over here, and then see if we can hit take profit too. But we really need to start breaking some lows. I don't like this area here. The only thing is that this area right over here, you know, we have rejected it, which is why it's highlighted. We have rejected, right? So we could reject this area here once again, but once we clear that zone, we could easily come down to this area here, which is this zone here, but we need to clear this area. So I'm thinking once we break this low, we should possibly continue down. But as of right now, alright guys, so another thing I found that could be messing me up on this trade, right? Price breaks this low, breaks all this support, breaks the whole support, and now possibly comes back up to reclaim this level as support. If this happens, we will be screwed. But if we start to disrespect this support, we should come down. With all this volume in this previous candle here to the downside, I'm expecting a big drop here on that. Big drop. Now I'm not talking about this little bit. This is my TP1. I will be closing some of my position right over here. But I'm talking about this whole move here. That's what I'm looking for. 1,000 pip move, but we'll see what happens guys. This will be like TP3 somewhere over here, so if you guys posted on this trade guys. If we stay bearish, amazing. I want us to stay bearish. I'm showing me signs that we're going to close under this low. We've already broken this low, respected this high, so understanding market structure, we should continue down, right? But we need to start to break this low here, which is the main low of the market at this very moment, right? So possibly continue down. If we start to break up above here, sheesh, I will be closing half of my position here, closing half here, and then hitting stop loss with very little of my position. Alright guys, so I just took off some risk off the table because I realized I was risking way too much for this market open position. So I did close half at break even, you know, just to manage my risk. At the end of the day, it's part of my plan. I'm not breaking any rules, I'm just being smart. So I did close half right over here at break even to see if possibly we can catch CP2 at this point. So I'll keep you guys posted on what the trade does. Right now we are in this freaking range here, I do. But yeah, let's see what happens, gang. Alright guys, well, if you know freedom trading, you know exactly how we freaking do it, bro. I just closed some of my position here because, you know, it's NAS100, it's not a lot of volume in the market, but W's in the freaking chat. I do believe TP1 will eventually get hit, but I made my freaking 1.6% right over here, bro, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna take that off the table. I do have a small runner though, I'm expecting this to freaking melt over here. I wasn't liking this range earlier, but now that we're below the range, which is exactly what I said beginning of the video, you know, we have this area here, as you know, that's that clean move to fill. But my stops right now at break even, so nothing to stress about this trade anymore. We just gotta see what happens. I think that we're gonna hit take profit, and then I'll be closing some more. But guys, this is what we do, bro. Market open is my bitch. NAS is my bitch. GJ is my bitch. Euro JPY is my bitch. Gold is my bitch. US 30 is my bitch. Everything is my bitch, bro. I'll keep you guys posted on where this trade does end up, and if we hit our take profit one. Although we already took some profit. So guys, I really want you guys to notice like the risk management I used on this trade. If you guys see, since the very beginning of the video, you guys had saw all my close half levels, all my stop loss levels were all marked up on the chart where I'm putting my stops to break even. And then right over here, I was up very nice on my account. So why am I not going to close when there's only 3 points to go, or 30 pips to go to my take profit? There's no point. I'd rather secure some profits there and then hold the rest to TP2. Because of that, now you guys see, you know, now we're getting a retracement. This is what I didn't want to happen, correct? Now, the reason why I closed some as well is because price can come down and break through this level, but it can always come back up and stop me out at break even, right? So I'd rather secure some profits before doing that, but we'll see if this trade can continue down. But risk management is the key thing that made me profitable, guys. So make sure you guys are understanding why I'm managing my risk at these certain levels. And instead of just not doing it on your own trading, you know, start implementing this strategy on your own strategy. You know, if I would have broken this high, I would have closed half of my position in drawdown. And then if I would have tapped over here, I would have closed half of my position again. And then I would have practically not lost a lot on this position, which I wasn't willing to lose a lot, especially to start the week. You know, you never want to freaking go too heavy on a position, which I was very heavy at the beginning. But I did close half. I was risking about 4% on this trade. Now, since I closed half, now I risk 2%. So it was a beautiful trade, and you know, we freaking did it. We did it, man. So I made about 1.6%. I'm waiting to see if price wants to continue down. We'll see if, you know, we can drop here. But understand the risk management, guys. Risk management is everything. Risk management is key to do all this. So keep you guys posted. I will be updating my take profit levels now. Yeah. So this will be our next take profit here, right over here. But yeah, so that's all pretty much all I wanted to say. If it does continue down, I'll show you guys. If it doesn't, I'll show you guys as well. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, you know, it was a beautiful call to close some over here. We would have almost gotten stopped out at break even. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I do want to show you guys our results while we see if possibly this trade can continue in our favor. Let me go over here. You guys can always see the results by clicking on one of my videos, and you have them all right here. This is like the Google Docs where I mark out every single trade we've called for the VIP program, so that you guys can see like real transparency on every single trade I've called, correct? Now, if you guys don't believe me, you guys can always ask my students. We are having a beautiful freaking month here. We're having a great month here. 85% win rate, you know, 4 break evens, only 4 losses and 24 wins, which is actually one of my greatest months here. Now they're gonna go here, gold, well, not gold, this is actually NAS100. NAS100, we took a sell and we closed around 250 pips profit. So beautiful trade here. Another win in the book. So we're at 86% win rate now. Beautiful trade, man. We've absolutely been killing it. I do believe take profit one is gonna get hit at this point, because if you guys notice, I'll teach you guys a little something here, right? Price comes down, corrects. It always has to breathe a little bit. The market always has to breathe. Right over here, we broke our low, came down, right, all the way over here. Then price needs to come down to breathe again, and then it's probably gonna have another impulse. Now, a big thing that I want you to know is, you know, price is always going to have these breathing stages in the market, always. So price came up, breathed a little bit to then go up again. Price comes up, breathes. This is the whole breathing phase to then come up again. Now it's all about impulse and corrections on these moves, guys. So super simple strategy. Just remember, guys, the market doesn't move like this. It moves like this. You know, it always has to breathe. correct? It doesn't go like this. That never happened. All right, so understand that, guys. Use this to your advantage, man. We're gonna go ahead and edit this video. I appreciate all the support I've been getting on my YouTube channel, man. It's been absolutely insane. But again, guys, just make sure you guys do know that there is a freaking promo going on for my signals. We've been absolutely killing the signals program. It's not just signals, it's trade breakdowns, live zooms with me every single night, and breakdowns of every single trade. Win or loss, we break it down. And I also send breakdowns before the trades. I let you know before I enter the trade so that you guys can be ready to execute that position at my exact same entry. At the end of the day, guys, it's what we do best. But I am running a promo right now. If you buy the $299 lifetime, which is a one-time payment of $299, you guys will get my whole course for free. I will be leaving that on until the live stream comes. So if you guys are interested in my course and my signals, you guys can get that bundle $299. You guys got it all. But again, guys, I appreciate y'all support. Thank you guys all for freaking watching, man. We're gonna absolutely kill it this year and next year and the next year after that. Because trading is what I love to do. I have very, very, very passionate about my trading. I'm very, very, very happy with all my students' success and results. So make sure you guys sign up, man. And if you don't, I still give out free content anyways. But that's where you guys get all the freaking juice. So if you guys like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys all. Peace.